Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another food tasting food review. Good morning, by the way. Happy Wednesday to all. Hope you all have a blessed day. So today we're going to be trying dun, 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 cotton candy Captain Crunch cereal. Look, oh, I can't really see the lighting. Oh, but look at the texture. Yes, pink and blue. Blue is my favorite color, by the way. And of course, we got our bowl. We got our spoon. And we also got our cup of milk. We matching today with the cup and bowl. Okay. But anyways, let's get back to this. Before y'all do anything, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. That way you be notified when I post. Because I know you want to know when I post, right? Right. And comment down below any more videos you would like me to do, or any videos you would like to see basically from me. So let's get back into this cereal. Cotton candy Captain Crunch. Yes, let's get us a great thumbnail. Yeah, that's gonna work. Yeah, so basically we got this yesterday from Walmart.com because you know it comes in the mail. So let's get our set up right. Got our bowl. Look at the box. It is so cute. Well, y'all can't really see the back, but look at this. Like it's a little carnival fun type thing. Oh, you can cut out the cards and play with it. Cool. It's sad you get excited about the back of a box, but hey, bring you back to your childhood, right? And then they used to got the little maze game on the back. Then they got find the words, how many balloons you can find. Dope. I tried all of Captain Crunch cereals, henceforth the one on the side. And they're bomb.com, so let's get in to see if this is really bomb. Okay, it's already open because my niece, she ate some for breakfast. But oh my god, it smells just like cotton candy. Oh my gosh. Let's pour us a bowl. Alright, that should be enough. Alright, and look at this detail. Look at this colors. Look at that. Don't that look good? Yes. Oh, smells just like cotton candy. Yes. All right. We got to do the taste test. We got to do a taste test. In goes the milk. Look at that. Ooh. Just enough. Your girl be knowing what she be doing. Yeah, let's get y'all in the background. We don't want y'all to fall, but let's make it so y'all can see better. Perfect. It's gonna be a great morning eating this lovely cereal. Y'all don't mind me. Y'all know I'm type of crazy, right? Yeah. It definitely shows, right? You know what? I'm going to give y'all the first bite because it wouldn't be right. I'd be considered being stingy. And I ain't stingy, so here y'all go. Here y'all go. Yummy. Eat up. Now, for y'all who don't eat cereal, I guess you're just going to look at me eat, right? Okay, let's try this. Captain Crunch. Y'all might have did something because this tastes just like cotton candy. And the good thing is I need to hurry up and eat this because, after a while your cereal gets soggy. Ain't nobody trying to eat no soggy cereal. Mmm. That joint is bomb. Like nicely, I'm gonna say nicely seasoned, nicely well put together. Like this is probably one of the best cereals that came out so far, my opinion. Cause I could be lying, but yeah, this is my milk. It's probably gonna be cotton candy flavored. But that was good. Like I really enjoyed it. Like yes. So anyway, guys, y'all got the video. Y'all got my review on this. And yes. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. And my tongue is blue. Hit comment down below any more videos you'd like to see. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell. That way you'll be notified when I post. Because I know you want to be notified when I post. Trust me. You won't regret it. Or will you? But anyway, guys. Until next time. We out of here. Peace.
Don't tell me I can have it cause I get it myself. Trying to set limits, I'm not with it, I'm the gold, I'm the best. Yeah.